Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color, yellow color. The alphabets of H. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use yellow color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color, black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now draw S. S for sun, S for shape, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. The alphabets of S. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use red color, red color. W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Kids, now draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and use green color, green color. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.